Welcome to this demonstration of the LeanFIDS system. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is for you to handle assignments in your airport, securing a high level of information. As no airports are alike, the system is customized to each individual customer. LeanFIDS can do a lot more than you will see here. We will now demonstrate how easy it is to control counters in your airport. Please note that this demonstration concerns relatively small airports with fewer than 50 check-in counters. The graphical user interface in larger airports is structured differently. Check-in counters for a flight are opened by right-clicking the flight and selecting Check-in. Now select the counter where you want to open the check-in counter and click the Open Counter button. Now you can see in the drop-down box that the counter is open, and this is also shown on the departure screens and of course on the display used to inform about status of that counter. If a flight has been configured with an agency, the flight will open with the logo of that agency. If two or more agencies are using the flight, you're able to distinguish between the agencies by opening the flight of several check-in counters, each handling passengers for one agency, or open all agencies on one check-in counter. Next, gate is to be opened. Right-click on the flight and select Open Gate. Now the departure screen shows that the gate is open, and the display at the gate also shows that the flight is open. When the flight starts boarding, right-click and select Boarding. Now status is changed to boarding, and it is also possible to configure this status to start more boarding displays and to start showing the guidance information to passengers. This means you're able to handle a flight with as little as 5 clicks. It is even possible to let handlers open and close counters themselves. Of course, they're only able to control their own flights due to the advanced security system built into LeanFIDS. This proves that LeanFIDS is indeed a flexible system. It is easy to use, and it is the tool to use if you want to give your airport a professional look. All displays are designed in a close dialogue between our graphical design department and the airport marketing department of your airport to ensure a personal look and feel of the flight information flow. The passenger flow in the airport and dependencies of information on displays is customized to each individual customer. And this is only one example of how things can be made. Of course, we're able to make LeanFIDS suit your special requirements. We will now demonstrate how easy it is to set and change the status of a flight. When you start the planning program, this is what you will see on your display. On the left-hand side, you can see arrivals and departures, and on the right-hand side, the planning section. If a flight is delayed, just right-click on the actual flight on the departures or arrivals section. Please note that the menu is context and user sensitive, and will only show options that apply in the particular case. This means that, for instance, landed will only be shown on the arriving flight section, and departed will only be shown on the departing flight section. Now we select delayed and a window appears where it is possible to type in the expected time of arrival. Click OK, and that's it. Please note that the delayed message is shown immediately on the Arrivals section and on the Arrivals displays. It will even be shown on the gate, check-in and boarding screens if it is set for a departing flight. The information to be shown on the individual displays will be selected by and customized to the individual airport during the design process. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the LeanFIDS system.